I think I just found the perfect curly hairstyle. And she's not only pre-layered, pre-styled, and pre-colored, but you can shake her and put it right on your head. Oh, she's a half wig. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Let's get right into the details of this wig. This is a 16-inch highlight brown afro curly half wig from ISEE Hair. She is in 16 inches. For my beginner girlies, anybody who just don't want to have to do much to their wig, this is for you because you can wear it straight out of the box by just simply shaking it and fluffing out the curls and you're good to go. It's pre-layered, it's pre-styled, and it's pre-colored, so you literally only have to put it on your head. In this video, I will be defining it a little bit just to see how those curls are doing. But spoiler alert, the curls are such a great quality before and after I define them, so stay tuned to see how that looks. To install this half wig, I will be sectioning out a little bit of leave out, and I have 2 ankle braids right there to hook the wig onto, just because my hair is a little finer and I don't want these combs to slip, so that's just something I do. If your hair is thicker, you can skip that step. Now this is my first look of the wig coming straight out the box. I was so impressed and shocked at the quality of these curls. Like I said, you can stop right here, define your hair in the front, do what you need to do for your leave out, and you're good to go. Adjust your drawstring in the back to the secureness of your liking, and this can literally be a 2-minute install, y'all. I'm not even kidding. But for me, I did go a step further, and I'm going to be brushing out these curls and defining them because I do plan on wearing this in a big voluminous look one day, and I just wanted to get a feel for how the curls would be once I wore them out of the box. This is also a look at how versatile this wig is. If you're someone that loves that brushed out, beautiful fro curl look, this would be a great style for you to try one day, but we're going to go ahead and get these curls defined. I like to work in sections when defining my hair, so I did one part off camera. The very first thing I did was section out some of the half wig hair to put with my hair, so when it's time to blend my leave out, I have some hair to use with it. The curls were so easy to bounce back that I only had to use a little water and conditioner to get these curls popping. You guys see me doing that here, and once I did that, I'm using my detangle brush. If you have a Denman brush, you can also use that, but all I had was my paddle brush, and we're just gonna get those curls clumped up, scrunch them up a little bit, and repeat that process. Once I got all the curls defined, I like to take the hair out of the way so I can get my hair defined in the front with this half wig. Y'all, it doesn't take much. A key, a hack, an essential thing that I've learned from my texture is to use some braid gel. This is how my leave out looks with no product. That'll be a really cute half with half down for the people who don't like their half wig slicked. But for me, I think it's really cute, especially when it's blending the way that you want it to blend. Go ahead and take your hair in a half wig hair. You're going to brush that together, scrunch it up, and repeat that process. I could have stopped at this step where I have no edge control, no braid gel, nothing on my roots, but I am going to go in and add some type of gel, and this is what that comes out to look like, y'all. If you would like to see how I did that, I do have a video on my TikTok. I'm going to leave that link down below, as well as the details and links on this hair. Shout out to ISEE. Okay, I've always been a fan of their quality, their affordability, and just look at this beautiful pre-colored half wig, y'all. Like, oh my god, I think Afro Curly, she's that girl. I think she's my girl. I'm very pleased with how well my hair blended with this texture, and I can't wait to see what else I can do with it, because the versatility is calling my name, y'all. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.